What's going on, guys, and welcome back to GeekSourceHD. My name's Anthony and I'm back with a new video. Here we have a MacBook Pro. Now, a good friend of mine, pretty much my little baby sister, recently bought a MacBook Pro, all right, and she said, do you want to unbox it? I said, sure, let's get after it. All right, so as I mentioned, welcome back. Here we have the MacBook Pro. All right, it's a beautiful, beautiful laptop. This one retails for around $3,500. I'll get into the specs a little later, but let's get into this unboxing. Good old handy unboxing knife. This is the first time I ever opened a MacBook Pro. Any Mac that I've ever had was secondhand, so I really never had that unboxing experience. So this is pretty much my first time. So let's see what's in this baby. Woo-wee! Look at that puppy. All right, so we're gonna put this down. Let's take a look at what other things we have in the box. All right, we have a USB Type-C cable. Let's see what else we have here. Paperwork, MacBook Pro, warranty information, and of course, those good old Apple stickers. All right. Let's put that over here. All right, and then it looks like the last thing in here is the power brick. All right, so it's USB. Oh, okay, so it's USB Type-C. To charge your MacBook Pro. Pretty interesting. All right, I believe the last MacBook Pro, I believe the 2015 version had a different power port to actually, or power brick to charge the laptop. I'll throw some B-roll in for you guys to take a look at that. All right, so let me put that to the side. All right, let's clean this up. All right, so here we have the MacBook Pro. All right, let's take the stickers off. Whew. All right. So this is the 15-inch version. Take a look here. Okay, and they got another piece of paper covering the screen. Ooh, and that's crazy because you know what the thing is? I just opened it up and it booted right up. That's amazing. So it looks like it's setting up. All right, guys, this thing is packing a 2.9 gigahertz quad-core i7 processor, a Radeon Pro 560 4GB graphics chip, 16 gigabytes of memory, 512 gigabytes of storage. That's in an SSD. There's also the Force Touch trackpad, which is basically the mouse tracking pad, but it enables you to press the trackpad with a little bit of force, and it reads it a little differently on the Mac. There's also 4 Thunderbolt 3 ports, which are lightning fast, hence the word or the name Thunderbolt. There's also the Touch Bar and Touch ID. This is what differs this version from the 2015 version. There's a Touch Bar and Touch ID at the very top of the keyboard, which indicates which programs you have open and various other options or buttons.
Seductive.
So again, this is the 15-inch version. Let me know what you guys think about MacBooks. I'm more of a PC user. I just started dabbling into the Mac universe, or the OS universe, because I have a MacBook Pro from the 2015. It's a little different from this one. It's a 15-inch as well, but it doesn't have the touchpad or Touch ID. But let me know what you guys think about Mac, and if you guys prefer Mac or PC, and why. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and share this video and subscribe to the Geek Source family. I would appreciate it. Thank you. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.